What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewistrading.com, and today we are talking about the trade of the day, which is SKLN. It was nice to see one of these bigger 50% plus market movers today. There was some early morning chop on this thing. We navigated our way through it and profitably, and what I want to show you today is how we traded this and the number of times we traded it using the exact same setup. So we can see right through here, this is the first flag that we did a little pop right through here. Had some trendline resistance. This was a very, very early morning trade. A number of the J. Lewis Trading team members were in on this trade, and I was very happy to see the guys were getting in on this low, just above the VWAP, getting that first push through, patience on the pullback, and then they were selling out in and around the top of this little choppy area. So that was one of the trades that we collectively put on SKLN. Later on in the day, we were given a couple more setups. One of them came right through here. This actually, I didn't do particularly well on this one, not as well as I thought. I did get long. Again, we sort of curled over here and took out that moving average. I didn't take much out of this trade. I got a little bit skeptical and took my profits early on that one. But again, we had two trades on this particular stock, SKLN, mover of the day. The volume profile on it was perfect. And so we just patiently watched this thing. And the real kicker of the day came right through here. We're looking at some trendline resistance right on through this level. It was such a perfect dip buying opportunity. You can see right through here that we took out trendline resistance, consolidated sideways for literally almost 10 minutes, and then this thing found its feet, and it just went. You can see that it moved straight up here. We were sitting on this, waiting for this. I want to call it a weak symmetrical triangle. Nonetheless, this was very much a failed situation. I did not manage to break out higher. It did break down. We experienced some chop, and then again got a little bit range bound through this low and this high up through here. And we sat on this. We're just waiting, and then, it did this little pop again into the close. Did not participate through here. Excuse me, but the team did hit profits through here. We hit it again through here, and then we were patient, and later on towards the back end of the session, we saw another opportunity that came to us right through here, and this was the real trade of the day that I wanted to report. This was the real big move, and this was a trade that we put on decent size, and that ended the day. So SKLN, nice to see another 50% mover. The last couple weeks, the market's been a little bit wonky. A lot of money shifting towards earnings plays, and so these really over-the-top volatile intraday stocks have been few and far between, seeing a lot of head faking, a lot of chop, and not a ton of really clean trades. This third move that we took advantage of right through here was nice and clean. But again, there was still a little bit of chop that we were surfing our way through, and that's why it's important to manage your risk first, understand where to potentially take profits, and when you get into that profit target taking area and you experience weakness, sell your position and sit tight. Thanks for watching.